there. It says 33 right there.
Oh, 63 or 64?
The suspension is right there.
Huh?
You can see the suspension in this.
63.
$9,500, wheels not included. Get out of the way, Corvette. Someone more important is coming through. Ooh. Okay, just walk. Fucking hell yeah. Rumble seats. Pedo van. No, wait. It's just a glass van, so it's family. That is cool. This is also cool. There's a big one in there.
What's this?
Yeah. Christian's still looking for one of these. Big Australian V8. Six suckers, two blowers. Three suckers, three blowers.
And I'm like, what the hell?
It's a lightning. Logging. Oh, look, another Holden Commodore. What?
Some of these cars ain't nothing but stock with wheels.
Yeah, that's the world. Trailblazer SS. These actually exist.
Yeah, I know.
Please don't touch. Yeah, that's common sense. But, ooh, that's pretty in there.
Hey, we will. I work Monday. I didn't have any idea. You know, I've never been there. They are heavy lids, like this.
cool. It's a cool old shifter. That big ass motor, automatic. Check it out. It's that car that has been barely in any movies. 32,500. All original. Up, and it's an automatic. So it's not worth 32. Finally, a manual. I said finally, a manual. Jesus. Automatic. 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 Or 3 on the tree. That makes sense. Ooh. I have that same radio in my tractor. Buick Skylark. Buick no one cares about. Ooh. This, oh Jesus, what have you done? Who cares? Oh. Beetle. They pack together. Survival. Well, yeah, that's a manual. C4. Fucking C4s are good. Manual. Or automatic from the way it looks like it was. Automatic. Again. Automatic. It's for sale. Automatic. This. Automatic, of course. Cool. Automatic, of course. Big old engine like that. And it's 4 doors, so automatic. Oh, this thing is low. Automatic. Manual. Holy hell, finally. One of the normal ones that are manual. Manual. Yeah, thank God. I'm starting to lose faith in humanity. Automatic C4. I don't see those very often. Nice clean engine. Automatic. Oh, well, okay, you could have taken those off. But anyway, thank you. And manual. Honk. Honk.
Speaking of new cameras, I think they're fucking important.
Yeah, I get out of the way at least. Automatic. Oh, convertible automatics makes sense because convertibles are for the Lexus.
I just left the stuff sitting all over his car. That's what he wanted. Man, look at it. Oh, it's down there. Oh, my.
Oh, look at that hot rod. The other one. Oh, shit. There. Grand Victoria. Jesus Christ. Look. And automatic. Another Holden Commodore. Oh, what the? Oh. Oh, that threw me off and I thought it was something more.
Just taking a picture of it on the bash.
And look, automatic. You a V6 or a V8? I think you're a V8. That has to be the ugliest Corvette ever, but I don't know why people like it, and it's an automatic. Squeeze in here to let them through. Of course your taillights don't work. Oh, Samba. Bus. Shake. Ah, cool. How was that fucking from earlier? You have shaft brake cooling now, buddy. Beep, beep. Oh, look, a Bronco too. It's a Bronco too.
People on the internet trying to break.
Cool. That boy looks younger than back. He's driving a Bronco too. Cool. What the hell was that noise? Ah. Yay. What are you doing here?
They got it first plane. I fall asleep on. They ain't gonna give me what.
GTO.
Roll me out the bed of the truck.
Judge. Looking.
Sunday, we're supposed to go to their house, right? Yeah, we're not going to Judge.
Yeah. I think this might have been the one I seen that one time. It's a cool ass sport. What that guy said, it's a real one. That's nice. Oh, you got the original oil cap on there.
Huh?
I got the original GM oil cap. GM doesn't label shit anymore.
Yeah.
Automatic. Those are cool looking automatics though.
Yeah.
Blazer. C4. Jesus. Living room. My room's smaller. Or don't take off the plastic covers. Iroquois. Or do you? Big rear deck. Jesus. Battle.
I tell you what, the G-bodies are out in force today.
Yeah. Ooh. Is that another bucket? Yep, that's another bucket. Oh. Box body. Automatic. Poker headers. Fuel. What did the job yet keep buying corn? A lot of foreign car makers have factories here, but whatever. Okay, don't get out of the way. Cool. Duster. Manual. Fucking good. Did you pull this out of your backyard or something? Did you own it since? It has a, what I'm assuming is a motorcycle thing. All SS. Cool. Cool. Yep. That's a panel van. Gassers. An inefficient way to do drag, but it works. It worked back then. Ponty deck. He just. Boy, Jesus, what did he just do?
Anything out of range.
Holden and Rolden. Holden and Rolden. V8. Oh, an i6. Really, anyone ever keeps the i6? Biscayne.
Biscayne.
Yeah, it's an i6 and everything. Oh, that's a fat Charger right there. That's a big old Charger right there. Amadero. Automatic. Wood. Corvette. Chevrolet. Cured. Oh, Viper. Did you just say that? That's a Viper. Carbon fibers. Everything. Oh, look, it's the economy car. You threw on the tree, or? Yeah, you're through on the tree. Automatic. It's very rare that people think it's rare to see automatic Corvettes, but it's not at all. Battle. Mustang. It's a nice wheel. That's a Chevy right there. Big old box on it. Look at her. That's some meat on those tires. And you got those from Walmart. Mach 1. Sweet. Oh, that is cool as hell right there. That is cool as hell right there. What the?
Huh?
That's cool as hell right there.
What?
I've never seen something like that.
Oh.
And of course, we have a water park attached to our current park. Here in the good old Kentucky state.
Okay, guys, listen up. We got one more number claim for the $40 giveaway. Mike Tucker, 1996 Volkswagen Bug, card number 107. 107. Mike Tucker,
Manuel.
Volkswagen. Come up and get your money. And if this does not get claimed before the 3 o'clock, it will go to the awards ceremony. And if Mr. Tucker is not there, it will convert into a door prize. If it's not claimed, they'll make this $40 cash giveaway.
Oh, please speed up.
At the awards. Thank y'all.
Speed up and drop them.
Can't believe we didn't run into Rick.
It's a Cadillac. I do. Neato. Mosquito. El Camino. That was not intentional. Hey man, is this a sniff? But do not sniff. Is this a Rest in peace, Burt Reynolds. Wasn't talking to you.
Get in there, Gil.
No, I'll just. That's cool. Franco. Oh, that is. Cartoon Physics that you subscribe to. That guy was sitting in the, you know I had to do it to him pose. Cool. Oh, that's cool shit right there. That's every bit of awesome. Ew. 440. Cheetah. Bird cheetah. Mopar, motor parts. I said Mopar stands for motor parts. York Hideaways. 430. I-6. Look at that. Big old beast in I-6.
Anyone needs a garbage bag in there, they look like they're big 55-gallon garbage bags. But if you keep them free, all out there,
New Pro Master.
Yeah. Now you can these days what you care. How many gears? 2. Cool. Mazda. Cool. In no way am I encouraging stupid behavior, but I'd recommend it. Doggo. Roadrunner. 69. Nice.
He's over seeing it.
What?
So I think we've been sitting there.
If it's theirs, it's theirs.
Yeah, I guarantee it.
Yeah, that's cool. Get out of the way. That's cool as hell.
Oh, you're all right. I just didn't want you to trip on my big foot.
That one.
That's when the 3 more that will be on the stage. One
Big old ram. Is that a Suburban? Need to find out. Suburban. Is this a Suburban? Suburban? I don't fucking know. That's cool as shit. Is that a Suburban?
Huh?
Is that a Suburban?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. The Suburban 2-door.
65.
You can make and conceive. You can conceive and raise a family out of this.
Yeah.
Maybe in the teenage years, get a raise right there. What the hell is up with those? They don't do anything. Nice, clean, crisp. SN95. There's Smarties right there. I love the candy. Now this is one of those Chevy trucks I'd like to have. This is one of the Chevy trucks I'd like to have, but
That's what Mike's doing right now.
one thing I'd definitely do is take like a big portion off the entire car, slam it, cut the roof, make it like a super race car. Oh, cool! What the?
Right.
That Americano. But you. Boogers.
Nope. Nope. All he does is make show cars. That's it. He's a. This dude.
Is motor included?
This is what he does his whole career. So he'll go get a car for $71,000.
Cool. One taillight option. Oh, the Ford. Big old Ford. And we have a tent. I wonder if it has a V8.
There you go. Mike has 360.
That's what.
You step right in the damn way.
Honestly, 1 to 10, that thing is not doing very well. That thing was taking a health test. It did radiation poisoning. That car passed by and I could smell burning wires.
Yeah.
A big old V8. Suspension and everything is nice. That's a big old V8.
It's a big block.
You take care of your brakes though. Ah, big cage. Why is the battery back there? Auto.
It's a 6 spare, man. 20 years older than the people grandma had.
Yeah, well, ours wasn't. And here is where the G-bodies died. This thing, look at it. And 442, but oh, another cheetah. Barracuda. 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 You. Neato. Neato.
What is it?
40 something. 40.
Couplers. Aftermarket. Ooh, Nova. Sweet. Not turned into a drag car. Yes, another Holden Commodore.
I'm saying Chris said I can't find one.
Well, for sale, but he can't. Ooh.
Today,
MG. Cool.
Wow, that's tiny. Tiny.
These little four bangers are awesome as hell. And the exhaust are in there.
It's too low.
I love it.
I just wrote a sarcastic article about that. It's hilarious.
Yeah, I'm sitting on the truck.
There's a guy that has one that trunk opens and it's a
seat?
bubble seat.
Really? I wonder if that's what this. No, because it opens that way.
Yeah.
It's hilarious. Christian can't fit in this, but I could.
And that's what I say. It's like a Barbie
couldn't
car
either.
for big girls.
No, I could fit in it.
This was meant for the racetrack. That's cool. Cured. $5,000 for that. Oh, is that a replica? Probably. Shelby Cobra replica. 100,000. No, it's a 20-year-old replica. Not paying that much for it. I'm not paying more than $5 for a Shelby Cobra replica. That's over 20 years old. People want ridiculous prices for these replicas. Most of them are 20 years old. A lot of them have cracks in them. Oh, that's nice. Look at that little pattern. That guy in the car right over there looked very unhappy that I wasn't paying attention to him. Chubby. Book. Please don't touch. Of course I won't. That's a fireball.
Yeah, that's why I called you back here.
That's an i8.
Yeah.
That's a long battery, too. This car could probably hit top speeds. A Chiron would be jealous of. i8s are fucking cool. A 10. big old 8 in there. A fogging. No, just a panel. Is my flash on? Why is my flash on?
Mine's a 53 Ford.
Juggalo Minion dog toy. What are you? What the? Who is that guy? I don't know.
Juggalo.
Oh, that's. Oh, SRT. Demon. Demon. People are starting to look at me weird whenever I pronounce the names wrong. Yeah. For sale. 15. That's very reasonable. I know, but you can learn how to record or trail behind. Red eye. Vape. Okay, so which one of these Dodge Challengers says Vape Nation? Yeah. If you see a Challenger that says Vape Nation, tell me. Like these aren't even real hood props. It's just weird. Very low hood clearance, which is weird. Like, yes, because if you have a V6, no one cares. LS Tree, LSXR. The hell? You're a manual. Too quick for you. Okay. It's not like there's faster cars, buddy. Is that the same guy? Viper TA.
Yeah, the same guy.
Yeah.
I'm license plate.
Chevy 2.
Are they going to keep making that? There's much like you can't see the
GT350. Is it a real one? Yes. I like this generation of Fox bodies. They're good. They look good. I like them. Automatic. Yeah, if you can find a classic on it. Not doubting the automatic's coolness. Nothing but C4. Oh, what the hell? Boy. I don't care, but people do. Cool. SS, not really that important. 27.5. Okay. Monte Charlo. I go B of whatever the hell. Yeah. Mammoth. My father is seriously trailing behind. Where is the pointless cars? Cars that don't belong. Cool. Yeah. I know. What the? Those wheels don't belong on there. What in blueberry? Oh, hell yes. Look at that. That is cool as shit. Cool. Rusty. Brody. What the hell? Oh, that's fiberglass. Cool. Hello. How do I smell burnt wires? That's a big one. Cool. Toy cars that don't match my car. Oh. Ooh. Yes. You too.
You know, everybody just had a regular
Old style like this is fucking gold. Up. There's something. Sort of.
Take your cat and your dog too. Yeah.
Cool. Oh, hell yes, that's fun. You? Oh, that's cool. I don't think my phone can see inside, but I think there's a Cadillac logo in there. Oldsmobile. Chevy. Dirge. Manual.
Now there's good guys running on, if you know about that.
Yeah, matter of fact.
Over 1910.
Yeah.
Up at Kentucky Horse Park.
Corvette.
Yeah.
Corvette. Manual. 4-speed. Manual. Wait, automatic. It's not one of the cooler automatics. Whoop. Guy with a camera recording with a camera. Ooh, tree. Wait, that's good. Ranchero. Is it Torino Ranchero? I think it's Torino Ranchero. That's neat. ladybugs. Camaro. Fjord wagon. What are you doing here? Wait, that's exactly what I'm looking for. The ones that don't belong. Another battle. I keep getting looks every time I say the name's weird. Pure, kind of milky glass. Air lane. Ranchero. There's my other car shows here. C4. God, I love these C4s. And there's nothing that way. Well, time to turn around.